Hi, I'm going to show a quick demo of our product, Lupa. Lupa is a better way to consolidate air cargo and automate manual processes. So for our MVP, we have actually gone with the airway bill tracking and instead mobile updates. So let me show you how this product works. So if we click the go to airway bill tracking, it will take us to this page, which is the tracking dashboard. As you notice, it shows the list of all the shipments along with the airway bill numbers. So let's say if we want to add a new shipment, click add new, and then it takes us to the next page wherein you type the shipper name and the airway bill number, and then you click save. Your name will be added and put on this list. So for the demo purpose, I'm going to show you one of our existing airway bill numbers from our initial customer, Patil Cargo. So this is a slightly older airway bill number. Let me also tell you what an airway bill looks like. So it's actually a 11-digit number. The first 3 digit always belongs to the airlines. In this case, the 312, which means it belongs to Indigo Airlines, which is a domestic Indian carrier. So I'm clicking on Patil Cargo to see what the status update is. As I click on it, it shows all the status updates related to this particular airway bill. So as you notice, it starts from the time the shipment is accepted by Patil Cargo and delivered at the airport. And then it gets manifested into the flight Indigo 60987, which means it's actually loaded onto the flight. And then it departs from the origin airport, that's Chennai, and then it advances to Kolkata airport, which is the transit airport, and then finally it arrives at the Jorhat airport, which is the destination airport. And the last update on any airway bill will be once the product is picked up by the consignee. In this case, it's delivered to Gokavarapu. So these are all the status updates generally an airway bill has. So let me also quickly show you how the instant notification works. As you notice here, there's a Chrome notification which says Lupa Air, and your shipment is delivered to Gokavarapu at Jorhat Airport. So this matches the actual airway bill update. So anytime the airlines update the airway bill, both the agent and the shipper gets this instant notification right at the same minute. So now let me show you how the actual process happens today without the app. So as I mentioned earlier, Indigo is the airlines which is transporting the cargo from origin to destination. So they have supplied this particular airway bill tracking to the agents. So every time the agent has to log into this website, and then they have to literally type in the airway bill number. So if you notice, the same airway bill number was there in the previous screen. So they type in manually and then they click track. Let me do that. And then you will see, like we noticed, the whole detail of the airway bill along with the status is updated. But the pain point here is the agent has to manually look at all the status updates, and then if there is a delay or cargo dump off, or even if the flight is on time or ahead of time, they have to note it down. Then they have to call or text their shipper, who is their end customer, and tell them about the status. So this is a long, cumbersome process, and it's because it's manual. In many times, there is a miscommunication or delay in communication, or some communication just doesn't happen because the agent forgets things. So what we are trying to do is provide a simple, instant tracking and notification via mobile. So every time an update is pushed by the airlines to the airway bill, the agent and the shipper gets the instant notification. So that is our big USP. Thank you.